Good morning, everybody. It is sunrise just over our pond here. And one of my favorite things to do in the morning is to come and watch the sunrise, watch the wildlife come out here, watch the birds. Yeah, I laugh because my son always says, you know, you're getting older if you've ever heard this word. Look at that bird. But it is so gorgeous. I love coming out here and just kind of sitting right here watching nature, right? I am just in awe with nature. Now, the reason why I tell you all that is because from time to time, I love to capture nature on my phone, but I also have some select moments that I like to keep, right? I mean, I take a ton of pictures, and if you're like me, you probably take a ton of pictures and you probably have a phone with storage and you back it up. But from time to time, I love transferring and storing the photos that I take, and I'm like, oh, I want to keep that. And so I got this storage solution right here that has made it super easy to keep the photos away from my phone. So I can clean up my space or my computer or whatever, but I know I have storage for them. So let me show you what I do really quickly. If you're looking at this as a storage solution, obviously it's going to come in different sizes. This is just 128 gigs. I didn't want to have anything too massive that I'm going to be searching forever. I just want to keep the ones I want to keep on here and then feel free to delete off my phone, right? I like keeping my phone storage with just new stuff, and then this is stuff I want to keep. Everything else I kind of toss. I kind of organize it that way. So I love organizing my photos. What you're going to get in this box right here, mine's 128 gigs. You're also going to get this ring that if you wanted to attach it to a key ring, you can. I don't. I just kind of keep this in my pocket, but I wanted to show you what you get in the box. And then you're going to get this handy adapter, right? It's going to work for USB-C, Apple iPhones, and then if you have something older technology that you're pulling from, which might be awesome because you got those old iPads or those old phones that you're like, ooh, I wonder what's on there. And you can pull the data from your old phones as well. Now, it is super, super easy to do this. You just grab the QR code, download, and install the app. It's called iStore Pro. Right here, you just grab, you download that. If you don't know where it's at and you get this, it's just a QR code on the back of the instructions. That's all I did. So you grab that app, you open it up right there, and then you get your connection that you need, USB-C. I'm going to show you, it's super easy. It is so easy. Right here, you just plug this piece into your phone, and then you grab your storage device right here. I mean, any storage device will do. They just give you one. And it's right here, 128 gigs. If you guys can see that, it says you need to apply your permissions, give it permissions right here, and then boom, it automatically does it for you. Say start now, and it is searching. You can go in there and see it's searching for my video, my audios, my documents, right? If I wanted to back up my documents, if I have any albums, and it also backs up my contacts. Now I can choose which one I want to save, and it's just doing it for me. So I don't have to be a tech wizard. I don't have to be an IT geek or whatever they call them. All I need to do is learn how to plug this in. That's it. Super easy. You can plug it into a computer if that's where you want to save your stuff. You can plug it into your phone, which is what probably most people are going to do. And it's super, super easy. You can see that we're already at 10%. I got a lot of files on here that I'm backing up. It's probably going to take me a minute. All right, and it's done. So I just came back and it's done. Just let it do its thing. And right here, you can see I want to look at my files. I want to back up my entire phone if that's what you want to do. Or I want to restore. If you want to restore your photos back to your phone, you can do that too. So it gives you these options, and you say, I want to look at them. I just did a bunch of videos right here. So you can see all the videos that it just saved just like that. It probably took me about 30 minutes to get it all done, but I just kind of set it in my pocket and forgot about it. But now I just looked at it, it's done. It's completely done. So if you're in the need for a simple solution to back up your photos, pictures, your albums, or even you have some old phones lying around or old iPods lying around and you want to preserve those memories, this is a really great way to not be so tech savvy, but still preserve those memories.